So welcome to the our third product. So that is the NBSense 03. So that is a diesel generator monitoring system. So diesel generators are the reliable power backup sources in the industries or any facility. So for this diesel generator monitoring system, so this is a overall system architecture. What data from which sensor we are collecting and how we are compiling and what outcomes or deliverables or insights we are getting that we will discuss here. uh, uh, so in every diesel generator, so generally the performance and everything, so that is measured by the input and output. So generally in diesel generator, input is a fuel quantity or fuel level. So this becomes very important to understand. So how much fuel quantity available in my diesel generator, what was the consumption pattern before yesterday, at what time it got operated, and what time it stops, and what was that duration. So in that duration, how much fuel got consumed, how much output, means that energy generated, electricity generated, what was the parameter of electricity, its loading, its kVA, its power factor, percentage. All this we will come to know by this sensor. The first sensor is, we can see here, it is a fuel sensor. So for every diesel generator, we are installing the additional fuel sensor, which is the capacitive type fuel sensor, which is a more accurate and reliable in the particular industry. So this is called the capacitive type fuel sensor we are installing, and that communication RS-485 read by our gateway, recognized by our gateway. So this is about the input. Second, the energy meter, multifunction energy meter. So generator's output is a electrical energy. To measure the value and its parameter, we have to connect with the energy meter. So most of location, either it is installed, if not installed, we have to provide them, or they can install themselves. Simply we have to integrate that energy meter's communication port over gateway. By collecting these two uh, sensors data, one is a fuel sensor and second is the energy meter data. We can send this data to the our cloud, and from the cloud and our backend integration, we are getting the dashboard insight or the final deliverables. So let's jump on the final dashboard, or how it looks like. So this is our product, so that is a DG. DG stand for the diesel generator. So I'm logging here, logging with dedicated user ID password. So every user will get this dedicated user ID password secure. So out of the list of our all proven 510 products, so diesel generator is at a third level. So here we can see, so presently its capacity. So manually we have to put while integrating that diesel generator. Last updated timestamp. This is a real-time fuel level in terms of percentage, in terms of liters. So as explained, from the capacitive type fuel sensor, we are getting this data, and this data is more reliable and accurate. So real-time fuel level percentage we are getting at milliliter level accuracy because of the highest accuracy class or level of the capacitive type fuel sensor. Then the totalizer, this is total hours since the installation of this monitoring system. So how much running time, total time. So this was operated. The totalizer, these are all are the totalizer reading. So till date, how much fuel consumed, how much energy produced. And once the presently DG is not operating, it is in off mode. So status, we can see the off mode. Once it start or it comes in a duty, so it will start to show its loading percentage in terms of kVA, in terms of percentage. So from that we can figure out what is the percentage loading presently or in real time basis on a diesel generator. Once DG started, the voltage and current will detect, and that will show the real time value, and the active power, apparent power, and power factor. Once it started to operate, automatically this shows here. Below that, there is a one more feature, that is a daily consumption insights. Okay, so once you click here, daily, monthly, or yearly. For example, I'm clicking on monthly. In a year, so what month, what was the total output electricity generated, how much was operating time, how much fuel consumed, how much fuel refueled. So these all values we are getting here. If I select a monthly basis and if I select any month, say example this ninth month, once I click on ninth month, so at what day, what was the condition, what duration it got operated, how much energy produced, how much fuel reviewed, how much fuel consumed, all insights we are getting here. From here we can hide and hide all parameters. Suppose I want to see the entire month's day wise energy, how much energy this produce, or if I want to see only the running hours in the entire month, at what day what was the operating time, that I can see here, and I can download this data in any format. This is common for all our insight or the trend analysis. Below that, there is an option that this is a complete log history. So this is a totalizer, total fuel consumed. The last option is a SFC. SFC stands for the specific fuel consumption. So that indicates efficiency, energy efficiency of that particular diesel generator. So start time, end time, the duration, for what duration or what time it was operated, how much energy this produce. So that is in kWh, fuel consumed in the liters, and SFC. So that indicates the efficiency. Lower the efficiency figure, higher the efficiency. This is a basic rule. So we can see here the all days history. So there is no need to maintain any physical log with manual entries. There is no any chance for manual errors and all. So this everything we have solved. So we can get its entire history till unlimited time period. Again, there is analysis. In analysis, we can select at what was the working parameter, power, fuel level, and all. Then the alarm setup, if we want to create an alarm for any parameter like running hours or fuel level, minimum maximum means we set, then we will get email or SMS, whichever value, whichever way we selected. So this is about the diesel generator monitoring. So this is a really a problem solving product in the industry. Thank you.